Good morning. My name is Stephanie and I work here at Be So Creative in Las Cruces, New Mexico. And I wanted to show you one of my favorite things that I like to do. I am more of a long armer than a quilter. That's where my love is. So most of my favorite things have to do with the long arm. So today I want to show you how I keep my quilts tops straight as I quilt them row to row. So my favorite item is a long arm line minder. We sell these here at the shop for $19.99. And the way it works is you put this line minder, and it's a stretchy cord, and you put this on your frame, and then it has all of these little gadgets right here. So it has a button that when you press it, you can move it. So I can put one in the middle of my quilt top. I can put one on the side like this. And then I can go ahead and do my quilting. And then when I roll the quilt, then I can make sure that as I roll the quilt top is staying within these parameters. And if it's beginning to shift, like let's say the quilt top is coming over here and it's not matching, then I can gently try and make everything go back so that as I'm quilting it and when I finish it, it will come off as straight as possible from the quilt frame. This is my favorite tool, the long arm line minder.